Good morning all of you. Welcome to KGP online classes. I am Isha Sharma and today we are going to study English Reader. English Readers chapter 2nd, The Mice That Ate Balance. Now, what do you understand by this title? What do you understand by balance? Balance looks like this, okay? This instrument is used to weigh things and it is mostly used by vendors, vegetable vendors or shopkeepers, okay? Usually they don't use this, but earlier they use, all vendors used to use this to weigh things, okay? And whatever portion is heavy, that comes down than the other one, okay? Now let's start the chapter. Once upon a time, there lived a wealthy merchant named Jiva. His village was on the bank of a river. Once, due to heavy rains, the river was flooded. Many people and cattle died. The crops and the houses were destroyed. So, once upon a time there was a wealthy merchant. Now what do we understand by wealthy? Wealthy means rich. Someone who has a lot of money. Wealthy merchant. What do we understand by merchant? Trader. A person who buys things and sells things. Okay. So, there was a merchant who had a lot of money and his name was Jiva. And what happened? His river, the place where he used to live, his village, was near a river. Now what happened one day? Heavy rains came, okay? It was water everywhere and the water, the flood destroyed everything that he had. Everything, his farm, his cattle, everything was destroyed. What do we understand by cattle? Cattle means farm animals. Farm animals, cattle that are used in farm, okay? Like bull, cow, sheep, all these animals are called as cattle. His everything was destroyed. His home was destroyed, his business was destroyed, his farm was destroyed. Now he had no other way to survive. He had no other way to earn money. The merchant had to suffer heavy losses in the business. He thought, I have lost all my wealth. The crop is ruined. I must go to town to try my luck. I will earn a lot of money and come back here. Then I'll start my business again. Now what Jiva thought? Jiva thought, now everything is lost. All my crops are destroyed. The meaning of ruined is destroyed, okay? All his crop was destroyed. All his business was destroyed. He had no way, no other means to earn money. So what he thought? That I should go to another town and I should try to start a business there. I will earn money there and when I'll have a lot of money, I'll come back to my village and I'll start a new business. Okay? Jiva had an iron balance lying in his house. His father had given it to him. He could not carry such a heavy thing to a town with him. So before starting on his journey, he decided to keep it with his friend Jana. Okay? So now Jiva had one heavy iron balance. This is what it looks like. The balance looks like this, okay? And it is made up of iron. So it must be really heavy. And he was going to a town. So how can a person can carry this heavy iron balance or by on his own and move further away? He cannot. So he thought that I have this iron balance and this iron balance was precious, was really close to Jiva's heart. Why was it close to Jiva's heart? Because this iron balance was given to him by his father. Okay, and your father must have given some things to you, like my father gave something to me, and that thing is really precious to me. I really like that thing, and I want to keep it with me all the time. Like I wanted to keep it with me every time. So that is what also Jiva was thinking, and Jiva thought that this iron balance is really precious to me. I should keep it with myself, but I cannot carry it to another town. So what should I do? Then he thought that I can ask for my friend Janak's help. Janak was Jiva's friend. Okay, so what he decided, that I should go to my friend Janak and I should ask for his help. He went to Janak and said, "My friend, I am leaving the village to earn money. I have an old iron balance with me. Will you please keep it safe with you till I return?" So what did Jiva do? Jiva went to his best friend. Janak was his best friend. He went to Janak's home, and what did he ask for? He asked him, Janak, I have an old iron balance. Now it is really heavy. Can you please keep it with yourself? And when I'll come back, I will take this iron balance again. I will take this iron balance with you. Now up till then, please keep it safe with you. So to this, Janak replied, Janak was readily happy. He was like, "Oh yeah, sure, you are my friend, I can keep it." Janak readily agreed to his friend's request and said, "Don't worry, I'll keep it safe for you. You can take it back after you return home." Now Janak was a really good friend to him. So he said he was willingly, he readily. What is the meaning of readily? Easily or willingly. Something that you are really happy to do, and you have no problem to do something. Okay, so that's in the same way Janak also said, yes, sure, I can keep it with myself, and when you will come back, you will return to home, to our village, you can take it with you. So to this, Jiva said, "Thank you, my friend. You are very kind." He kept the iron balance with Janak and left for some other distant town. When Janak kept his iron balance, Jiva's iron balance, Jiva was really happy. So Jiva said, "Thank you, my friend. You are very kind." The meaning of kind is someone who is sweet and someone who helps other. So Jiva said, "You're really kind and you're helping me. Thank you so much." And he went to some distant town. The meaning of distant is far away. Okay, so Janak moved to a distant town, another town, and he kept his iron balance that was given to him by his father to his friend Janak. Okay, now I am going to end the chapter here in this class, and we will continue further. And I want you to read this chapter in your book, as you all have books now, and read it loudly. Okay, and we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.